Welcome to our Tesla factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Our approach utilizes a precisely balanced chemistry in these battery cells, ensuring both maximum efficiency and uncompromising safety.
Every vehicle is assembled with millimeter-level accuracy to ensure quality and safety.
The power output on Module 7 is fluctuating.
Reroute the diagnostic sequence and retest immediately.
Every Tesla is tested and validated before leaving the factory.
And that's how Tesla cars are built, from start to finish.